In today's video, I'll show you how to transcribe an MP3 file using Descript quickly and accurately. Start by opening Descript on your computer. Once the dashboard loads, click New Project and choose an audio project. Give your project a name so it's easy to find later. Next, import your MP3 file. You can drag and drop the file directly into the project or use the import option to select it from your computer. Descript supports MP3 files, so the upload is simple. After the file is added, Descript will automatically begin transcribing the audio. The transcription time depends on the length and quality of your audio file. If transcription does not start right away, click on the File options and choose Transcribe file. Once the transcription is complete, the text will appear synced with the audio. Play back the audio and review the transcript for accuracy. You can correct words, fix punctuation, and assign speaker names if there are multiple voices. Descript also lets you clean up filler words and make edits directly in the text, which automatically updates the audio. When you're happy with the transcript, you can export it by going to Publish and selecting Export. Choose the format you need, such as text, Word, or subtitles. That's it. You've successfully transcribed an MP3 file in Descript and your transcript is ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy transcribing.